Hey YouTube, so I'm here with a video, and this video is going to be completely different from what I normally do because I'm talking about makeup this time. And what I'm talking about is the Fenty Beauty, I already got some oil on it, but the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice collection. So I saw this on Rihanna's Instagram. Of course, I love and support Fenty Beauty, so I saw this on her Instagram, and I noticed that the colors compared to her Galaxy line, which I did not get, were a lot more neutral and a lot more something that I could wear and would wear on an everyday basis. So I already had my mindset when she first dropped it that I was gonna get it. A few days passed and she says that she's doing a pop-up shop in New York City, which is very close to where I'm at. So I hopped on the train and made sure I got it. And she was having the Moroccan Spice on sale early. So I really wanted to, one, I already knew I was gonna get it anyways, and I figured since I have it, and some people are a little, some of the shades are a little light, and for me at least, I always wonder what it's gonna look like on a dark skin girl. So I figured I could possibly be that dark skin girl for you guys to try it out and see how you like it. So I haven't even opened it yet, but you can see here it has all the shades with the name. What I plan to do for this video is swatch all of them on my arm probably, and then try and put them on my eyelids. But like I said, I'm not a pro, I'm not a makeup artist, and this is completely different from what I normally do, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. I already did a little bit of my face. I did light makeup when I went to the event today. I had on her foundation in 470. I also put on the gloss bomb, but it already wore out. And then when I was there, I don't know if you see some of this highlight. While I was there, one of the sales professionals or the sales reps was helping me with the new Killawatt, one of the new Killawatt highlighters. I forgot the name right now, but basically the color was like deep orange and purplish that she put over here, and she also put it on my eyes as eyeshadow, but I wiped this off so that I'd be able to do this video. Okay, which I also might get as well. That was very cute, but I just didn't want to do too much. I already got this, and then the eyeliner, which is called Cause I'm Black, and if you know the story behind it, it is hilarious. I'll start by opening it. So, taking out the package, I'm just going to toss it to the side because I probably will keep it in the package. I love the packaging. This is what it looks like. Pretty sparkly and shiny and beautiful. This palette, it was $59, and it's going to be $59 online as well. Here you see it comes with a little mirror, and it comes with the shades here. So I'm going to be using the back of this thing to kind of, so I know the names of it. And I just want to edit it, have the names of each swatch on the bottom. So I'm going to put all of it on my arm, and then I'll come back for you guys. So I'm back, and I have swatched on my arm, or on my arms, all 16. So I did it in order. The first 8, like along this row, are here, and then the second 8 are here. So let me get the names and show you. So the first one, this one is Moroccan Ice. This one has a little bit, that one has a little bit of glitter to it. Second is Mirage. This one right here also has a little bit of glitter. Casablanca right here. Marrakush. Yeah, so that one, I tried to use the same amount of swipes for all of these, but this one seems to stand out the most on me, at least. It's very pigmented, this one, and it also has a little bit of glitter. The next one is Shisha Smoke, kind of like a blue grayish color. Next one, Sahara Stunna, like a pinkish. And then Quicksand. This one does not have any glitter, and it's a little bit more neutral. And the last one is Desert Baked, which you can't really see on me, but it's like a golden color. I'm not sure why. I can see it on myself, but yeah, this is it right here. Right here, yeah. So if that was confusing, this one is Desert Baked, and this one is Quicksand. Alright, so that's this arm, what it looks like on me. And then this side, here we go. This side had a lot of like less with the glitter, I would say, which is one of my main issues with the Galaxy one. I felt like a lot had glitter. I could be wrong, but I felt like a lot had glitter. I'm not trying to do glitter all the time. So these were nice. So next are Evil Genie, Fez Up, which you can't really see on me, but I like this because when I put it on my face, I feel like you'll be able to, it'll be like a nice base color, I guess you could say. This one is Saffron. After that, Cumin Get It. Loving these names. And Sock It To Me, or Soak It To Me. Sock It To Me, this one. Next is Nuts and Dates. Henna Sea right here. And Spice Trip right here. So, like I said, this side, a little less glitter. I think only, which are the two that had glitter? Evil Genie, which is the first, and then Sock It To Me, which is the fourth. Have a little bit of glitter, but not that much. So here are the two sides, side by side. And I will see if I can put it on my face.
Original Batman. It's she give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl a coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to fail. Fire can't cool me up on fire. Original Batman. Nobody test me around dire. African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a baseline. Live line, can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to see.
So that is it for the swatches. I hope that gave you a kind of a better idea of what to expect when you're dark skin and you get the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. Just quickly, a quick review, nothing too serious. For me, I was a little disappointed at first, I'm not going to lie, because I thought a lot of the golds were the same. Kind of like this one, and then there's even a pink that looks like a gold, which is this one, but it appears pink on the palette. However, when I started moving on to the deeper colors, like the blues, these two especially, I really love them. And also some of the ones that don't have the glitter that are more neutral. This last one, this one up here, that are more neutral and that are more for everyday look. I really enjoyed those. So for me, I plan to use it for everyday looks, and you can also spice it up when you're going out with some of the blues and other things, and probably mix it up with other palettes that you might have. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, I also do natural hair videos. That's mostly what I do, actually, so check those out while you're here. If you want to see more videos kind of like this, stuff specifically for women of dark skin, or stuff whatever, just kind of like give me a like so I know, and make sure while you're here, subscribe. And I'm also thinking of like new styles of videos, maybe incorporating my career and other things, so stay tuned for those. In the meantime, thank you so much for making it to my channel, and I hope to see you back again.
I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say I bad man, they want to fail.